Do you also want to create a YouTube channel that gets millions of views? If your answer is yes, then you have opened the right video. But to create such a channel, you will need an email ID that can easily grow your YouTube channel. And the We Create This email ID is given in this video. So now let's start the video. First, you have to open your email app. Then press the three lines above. Then press the arrow. Then click on the Add account. Now press Google. And now click on Create Account and click on the option for work. Click on Next. Write your first and last name here. Then press Next again. Enter your date of birth here and enter your gender. Now you have to press the Next button again. Now the most important thing here is that you have to enter the username related to your name. So now enter your username here. Now you have to press the Next button again. And now here you have to create a strong password, like using a number. And press the Next button. Number in it, press the Next button. And now scroll down and click on I agree. Agree. And now go ahead and click on the three lines, click on your email ID. Now done, you will soon receive a video on how to create a YouTube channel on this email ID. So be sure to subscribe to Social Educates. Thank you and goodbye.